You are going to love the 2023 Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, power brakes, braking assist, rear view camera, leather trim seats, Wi-Fi hotspot compatible. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.